Tell them why you want the iPad.
I just want the iPad so bad. I just want to play video games on it. Stop looking at me. I just want to play video games on it and watch like all this kind of stuff and and stop looking at me like that. Again, I really want it because I just want it. Please. Thank you. Okay, now I'm done.
Hey, it's going to YouTube, so you know it's best here to announce the winner of my iPad giveaway, which I started about a month ago or 3 weeks ago, and we had a ton of video responses. There's almost 1,000 people made video responses to my giveaway video, and I like thank everybody for participating out there in the community. It was very tough, very very tough to pick a winner. A lot of you had very creative, very fun ideas. I was laughing a lot of your videos. A lot of you have some videos that you really wanted the iPad for school, so it was really tough trying to to pick one single winner for this. And I did pick about 10 runner-ups, so I'm going to contact those 10 runner-ups, and I'm going to give them out some iTunes gift cards just for being runner-ups. So I was going to do just like top 5 or something. I'm going to do top 10 because there's a good amount of people had some good amount of videos out there. And but anyway, for everybody else out there, the winner of this video, which I announced live on my Ustream I did this past Saturday, the winner was Blinded by Us. I think his video was a very creative video. He gave reasons, definitely some good reasons why he wanted the iPad. He had some good special effects with it. He did some, more editing with it. I think with After Effects or something like that. Plus, he had a couple funny points too. So overall, his video was very funny. So I decided to pick him amongst everybody else because just his whole entire video, the way it was, and I was able to capture my attention during the whole video. So Blinded by Us, he's the winner, and I already contacted him to get his shipping information already, so he already knows he won. But anyway, so if you didn't win this time, don't fret, don't fret. I will be having another giveaway. My other giveaway is just going to be Twitter only, though. So if you're not following me on Twitter, I'm Soldier No Best. Take the S off the end of the nose. I ran all the characters on Twitter, but it's Soldier No Best on Twitter. I put a link in or down below now, not to the side, but down below. And but I have details about that information about that giveaway coming up shortly. But again, Soldier No Best. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you later. Peace.